Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix messages not syncing with iCloud on Mac. So if your latest messages appear on your iPhone but not on your Mac, or new conversations are not updating across your Apple devices, one of the possible reasons that messages in iCloud isn't enabled on your Mac. This is one of the first thing you should check, because if syncing is turned off, your Mac won't able to keep your messages updating with iCloud. This is not the only reason the problem can happen, but it's a quick setting to check and often solve the issue without having to make any other changes. If you're facing the problem, here's what to do. First, click on the Apple logo at the top left corner of the screen and then choose System Settings. Now in the left side pane, scroll down all the way and then go to iCloud. After that, in Save to iCloud section, you can see Messages, and currently it is turned off. That's why the messages are not syncing with iCloud. So click on it and then make sure to enable the toggle right to use on this Mac. As soon as you enable it, a few more options will appear below. You will see a keep messages section where you can choose by clicking on the drop down menu that how long the messages should be kept. You will also see a sync now button that lets you manually start syncing your latest message whenever you want. You don't need to change these options right now unless you want. And keep in mind that changing these settings won't bring back messages that have already deleted. It will only prevent your future messages from being removed automatically after 30 days. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.